In this video we will learn how to approve or reject bonus for payroll process in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see payslip approval form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. Payslip type drop-down shows all types of requests that can be viewed. Select bonus from drop-down. In the grid below you can see a list of requests including employee details, payslip details and the remaining payslip requests data. You can approve or reject request from here and enter comments. Then save. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.